In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone in Snapseed. To get started, open the Snapseed app on your phone and select the image you want to edit. You can do this by tapping Add Photo and choosing a picture from your device, or by selecting an image from your Snapseed gallery. Once your photo is loaded into the editor, you'll be ready to create a cloning effect by adding multiple copies of the same subject into a single image. For this type of edit, it's common to begin with a background image that will serve as the base of your composition. After choosing the background photo, take a moment to make sure it's the image you want to use before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to add the subject that you want to duplicate. To do this, tap on Tools and then select Double Exposure. This feature allows you to combine multiple images together, making it possible to place the same subject into a scene more than once. Once double exposure is open, tap the Add option and choose the image containing the subject you want to clone. In many cases, this works best when the subject image has a transparent background, so it blends more naturally into the main photo. After selecting the image, position the subject wherever you want it to appear in the scene. You can adjust the placement and size according to your preference. If needed, use the opacity control to make positioning easier. Adjusting the opacity temporarily can help you see both layers more clearly while placing the subject in the correct location. Once you're satisfied with the placement, apply the change to continue. To create the cloning effect, you'll need to add the subject again. Tap on Tools once more, return to double exposure, and tap the Add option again. This time, select the same subject image that you used previously. After adding it, reposition the second copy of the subject in a different area of the photo. Adjust its size and placement as needed to create the illusion that the same person or object appears multiple times within the scene. Depending on your project, you may place the duplicate close to the original or in a completely different location within the frame. You can also use a different image of the same subject if desired. For example, a variation with a different pose, outfit, or expression can make the final result appear even more realistic and dynamic. Continue adjusting the image until you're happy with the overall composition. Once everything looks the way you want, tap the checkmark icon to save your changes. Your cloned subject effect is now complete, and the final image will show multiple versions of the subject within the same photo. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.